I'm going to be going over how to make money online without any investment, without you spending a dime, just pure money in your pocket. And I'm going to be showing you on my computer 3 different ways that you can make money doing basic tasks, doing transcription, and selling any skills if you have them. So here's how to make extra money online without paying anything. Okay, so you want to make more money, no investment. Sorry, and I don't know if we're going to edit this in, but they just asked if I misspelled more on purpose. And most of my audience on YouTube is under the age of 30, and he's you're not gonna show him. He's old, so he doesn't get it. But I'm going to show you how to make more money without any investment, okay, real quick. Now in this video, we're going to go over 3 ways that you can make money without spending anything. There's a lot of different businesses which want you to spend money on training or spend money on products or spend money on services or all this different stuff, right? We're all selling stuff online. I'm selling stuff online, but this is going to be completely value driven. Let's go over to my computer and I'm going to show you these 3 ways. So the first way I'm going to show you is with Amazon. These are basic tasks that you can do. I'm going to show you how to do basic tasks and have Amazon pay you money for them. I'm also going to show you a second way of how you can make money if you know another language. You can make a little more money by transcribing, something from Spanish to English or French to Spanish or whatever. And then I'm going to show you a third method of how you can make money actually providing services for other people. If you have a skill, you can make even more money selling that skill online. So we're going to go over 3 ways that you can make money without any investment today. So the first one is we're going to go over how you can make money doing basic tasks such as surveys, photo and video identification.